Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 update for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So as we know that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is packed up with the latest update. Even in the 2024 we have the latest One UI 6.1 update which comes with the Galaxy AI features as well. And now with the One UI 7 update, according to our website Sam Mobile, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is included in the One UI 7 update. So we will get the One UI 7 update along with the Android 15 on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if we talk about that, what new we can expect with the One UI 7 update. So with the One UI 7 update, we will get to see a completely redesigned control panel. As the control panel was redesigned in the One UI 6 update, now with the One UI 7 update, it is expected to be redesigned again. Next up, with the One UI 7 update, you will get to see new icons. Also, you will get to see dark icons with the One UI 7 update. This is quite similar to the iOS updates. As in the iOS 18, we get to see the dark icons. Also, with the new update, you will get to see some new widgets as well. The new widgets will be completely redesigned as all the UI design is going to be changed in the One UI 7. And this new UI design will give your device a fresh new look. Also, if you want to see an early access to this clock application and also the new widgets, so you should visit the link mentioned in the description, by which you can learn that how you can update your clock application. All of these widgets are completely working fine as well. Now let's move on to the next feature that is expected to become with the One UI 7 update. So as you know that on the iOS we get to see this dynamic notch in which we can see the live activities. Also in the lock screen we get to see the live activities as well. Now with the One UI 7 update we will also get to see a dynamic pill as well. It is a rumored feature and it is expected to be released with the One UI 7 update. As you can see, this is how the clock application and the timer looks for now. And these were some of the One UI 7 features that are expected to be released. Also, do let me know in the comment section that which feature or the change you are most excited about with the One UI 7 update. And if we talk about the beta version, so the beta version for the S22 Ultra is not confirmed yet. And if we talk about the release date, so the beta version might be released by the end of this year, and the One UI 7 update also might be released by the end of this year or most probably by the next year. And that's right for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about that the One UI 7 update is coming up for the S22 Ultra. If you are new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.